Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. I don't want to protect the environment. I want to create a world where the environment doesn't need protecting. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. I think make love, not war, might be the most profound statement that's ever been made. Lost yourself in nature and find peace. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Qabalah Cinema, beyond the tradition.